SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Basically, it's improving your website search ranking. Let's say you have a website where you sell denim jackets. If you want your website to be shown in the first 3 results in Google or any search engine, which will bring you more sales and more free organic traffic, you have to master SEO, so that you can learn the different factors that affects your website ranking, like keywords and backlinks, and the strategies to implement them to your benefits. So this was the full definition of SEO, and in order to get your hands on the ultimate SEO strategies and tips, I recommend you to get this book, the Complete SEO Bootcamp, which contain all the main strategies and the complete informations that you will need to rank your website higher and higher. You will find its link in the description. That's it for now. For more tech informations, make sure to subscribe and hit like. See you next time.